皆さんこんにちは、Zeztzです。In this video, we're gonna listen to the Henshin sound of the Kamen Rider Zeztz. Let's go!
Impact! Makes a little. Good morning!
And this is the vocal. Let's listen to it.
Impact! Makes a little. Good morning! Impact! Zeztz Driver. Impact! Makes a little.
Alright, this is the Henshin sound. Very cool, huh? Love it so much. Got a very cool sound. Okay, what do you guys think of the Henshin sound of the new Kamen Rider Zeztz? Leave comments below. Alright, so today, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for being on the first channel and see you next time. じゃあ、またね。
首を振り払って追いかけた背中がまぶたに焼き付いてる